Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening. The People Democratic Party supporters has protested the outcome of Edo governorship election as this particular candidate is leading, and it seems like the things are not adding up. My people, when you do simple arithmetic and you are saying 7 plus 8 is 15, and somebody is trying to do that math and is telling you, no, it's 16 or it's 24. You're saying, I mean 7 plus 8, not 7 plus 12. I'm just saying 7 plus 8. I'm not saying 7 plus 14. I'm saying 7 plus 8. And the number is so far away. You begin to wonder if you're on the same page or there is really something else to it. So this is exactly what is happening now. The People Democratic Party really feel dissatisfied with the current situation of things, saying we don't really understand all that is happening, and we really wish that things would be a bit different. That INEC would have done their wish, done their wish, like giving the right result, counting things as they ought to be, rather than doing some other things. So it is what it is, to be quite honest and sincere. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Let's get all the details. The People Democratic Party supporters protest outcome of Edo governorship election as the APC candidate leads. They wonder if this is the real result. The supporters of the People Democratic Party have staged a protest at the Independent National Electoral Commission headquarters in Benin City against the ongoing collection of results from the recent governorship election in Edo State. The protest erupt as the All Progressive Congress APC majority opposition party appears to lead in the election based on preliminary results released by INEC already that have been uploaded to IREV. According to an ex post by Channels TV, PDP supporters expressed their dissatisfaction with the election process, claiming that the results are being manipulated in favor of the All Progressive Congress candidate. As of now, INEC has gone on recess after announcing results from 16 out of 18 local government area of the state. APC has secured victory in 10 local government area, while PDP claimed victory in 6. The final 2 local government results are expected to be announced by later today. As reported by the news APC led by 244,549 votes, followed by PDP with 195,954 votes, and Labour Party with 13,348 votes. The situation remains tense as PDP supporters demand transparency in the collation process and an assurance that the will of the people will reflect in the final result, rather than some persons positioning or putting themselves as winners in an election that is not what they may have voted for. So it is what it is, and everybody is particularly very worried about what exactly is going on here. Everybody's particularly, the people are asking themselves, is this what it really means? What exactly is happening? Could we not have an election that, we could have transparency? Why is it, the People Democratic Party people feel, that their candidate is not being represented properly, and the votes that they cast, they feel that they have done more, and the result should be reflecting more, rather than what is happening now. The results should be reflecting that they voted for this candidate rather than someone they have not voted for. So it is a very, very significant time for people to truly, get to the very bottom of what is happening today, because it feels like the people's, true reflection of what, of what should be is not what they are getting. It feels like there is more to it. So some people feel that they've not really gotten what they really what they should really get, and they feel slighted, they feel humiliated, they feel that the true reflection of the result is not what is being proposed. So it is what it is. Well, how do you feel? We want to hear more response from the people of Edo State. Do you think that the result, I mean, if we have 18 local government area, and depends on how many people we have in those local government area. Senator Monday is already, he has already, I mean, what they are saying, he's already gotten 10 local government area. That's APC. PDP has gotten 6 local government area. Remaining 2, INEC brilliantly went on recess. Wow, how clever. How clever. You can imagine how clever. So you begin to see that indeed, there is real room for concerns. Serious concerns, I must tell you. Serious concerns are at the moment. There is real room for serious concerns, because how can you really justify all that is going on right now? How can you really justify all that is going on right now? Every single person wants to understand this. Every single person wants to know, where we are at, and what can be done differently, where results can really reflect the wish and the desires of the people, rather than just imagination. Or some people say the result is being cooked up. I mean, I'm not in a do state. What I mean is that I did not vote in the election, so I cannot be the one to say the results are true or false. But if the people of Edo State are saying, this is not, is not what should be. We really need a change. We really need a sincere, change from INEC. Because remember presidential election, how that all happened, and Nigerians, felt, a lot of Nigerians, some people felt that it was not a true reflection of, of their votes. Some people were happy with the results, and some are not. So it's really a very, very serious one, and we cannot continue. We cannot continue to be quiet in the face of all that is happening right now. We need a change, and we need things to be done decently and in order, so that Nigerians can move forward. It's about time we begin to reflect in all of these things and be sure what the next move is. We cannot continue to pretend that we don't see all of this. Okay, we cannot continue to pretend that this is not happening. So Nigerians, what do you think? Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.